In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this part and this drawing. And on the drawing, we're going to include all the line conventions that we've discussed in class. The hidden line, center line, section line, dimension line, extension line, long break line, and leader line. I'm going to start out by creating a new part and a new sketch on the XY plane. Select your circle tool, start at the origin, enter 1, select your point tool and place a point at the origin. Select extrude, reverse the direction of the extrude and enter a distance of 10. Open up the extrusion you just created in your browser and select the sketch that you created and right mouse button and turn on visibility. And you can see your sketch on this surface, and there's the point you created. We're going to create a hole. Select your hole tool. And notice Inventor sees the sketch and it sees the point, and it is making the assumption that you're going to place the hole at the point. And let's set this radio button here. Turn on this button, threaded. Turn this off, full depth, check it off, and set the depth to 0.75 and set the thread depth to 0.5. Set the thread type to ANSI unified screw threads and the size to 1/4. The designation should be 1/4 20. Select OK. Create a new drawing. Place your base view. Set the scale to 2:1. Place an ISO view in the corner. Save your part in your Documents folder and call it IED 2.1 Line Conventions. Select the ISO view and set the scale to 1:1. Place it in the upper corner. Select the front view and turn off shaded. Select Annotate and select this tool, the center mark tool, and point to the outer diameter. Select this line and stretch it up a bit. Go back to Place Views, and I'm going to place a section view. I have to specify the view that I'm going to create my section view in, so I'm going to select this view. Select the dotted red line. I'm going to place my section line here right at the top of this line. Draw it straight down. Move your cursor to the right. Select Continue. Place your section view to the right. Notice that the view is too large and it extends to past the edge of the page. I'm going to correct that. I'm going to create a break I'm going to point to the view and zoom in. I'm going to place my break here and my second line break here. I'm going to grab this edge, the right edge, and I'm going to pull it out to about there. I'm going to grab my view, the dotted red line, and bring it a little bit closer. I'm going to select Annotate, and I'm going to create a dimension. I'm going to place a dimension from this line to this line. Let's select Hole and Thread. Point to the threaded hole. Place your hole note here. I'm going to select Dimension. Point to the outer diameter and place my diameter dimension here. We're going to add a center line. We're in Annotate. Select this tool, the center line bisector. Point to this line and this line. Right mouse button, cancel. Select the line and drag these grips out a bit. Go to Eye Properties. If you don't see Eye Properties here, go to this pull-down menu and turn on Eye Properties. Select Eye Properties. Copy the file name, Control-C, go to Summary, and replace the title, Control-V with the file name. Change this author to your name. Your title block should look like this. Go to File, Export to PDF. Save the file in your Documents folder with the title IED 2.1 Line Conventions. Your drawing should look like this. Zooming in and taking a closer look, we could see that we've used all 7 line types discussed in class. In the front view, this dotted line around a threaded hole designates the threads, and here in the side view, these dotted lines are hidden lines and they designate the threads on the hole. This line is your center line. These horizontal lines are your section line that designate the part has been cut in half. This is a dimension line. This is an extension line. This is a long break line. And these are leader lines. Submit the drawing to Canvas to complete your assignment.